the German engineering giant that's been building India's backbone since 1957. Smart grids, metro rail, data centers, factory automation, and power transformers. 75% is owned by Siemens AG Germany, over 45,000 crore order book, and the honest story why this year's numbers look worse than they actually are. This is top 29 of 30. Siemens India Limited, founded in 1957, headquarters is in Mumbai, subsidiary of Siemens AG Germany, which owns 75%. They operate across 4 distinct businesses: digital industries, factory automation, programmable logic controllers, industrial IoT, a near monopoly in heavy machinery automation in India, smart infrastructure, smart grids, building management, data center power and cooling, switchgears and substations, mobility, metro rail traction system, locomotive engines, signaling software, present in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad metros. And the last is energy management, power transformers, grid automation. Their AGM held on 11th August concluded that all of the resolutions have been passed and they announced an 18 rupee dividend. Before the numbers, an important context I want to be clear on. Financial year 26 numbers show that revenue is down by 25% and net profit is down by 39%, which looks terrible on the surface, but it's not. The decline was caused by strategic divestment of low voltage motors business. Siemens sold that division for 2,000 crores in cash. This sale inflated the financial year 25 numbers, making 2026 weak by comparison. Quarter 1 of financial year 27 numbers, revenue is over 4,000 crores, net profit is over 2,000 crores. The financial year 26 distortion is a one-time structural event, not a business problem. Here are some structural tailwinds that makes this a great stock for the next 3 to 5 years. Smart infrastructure and energy transition. India's green energy goals require massive grid updates, and Siemens India supplies just that. Over 2,000 crore invested in large power transformers to keep up with the demand. Second is data center boom. Every hyperscale data center will need Siemens advanced cooling. The third is modern rail and mobility. Metro rails is going to be expanded in 50 plus cities. Indian Railways is modernizing, and Siemens supplies both locomotive engines, propulsion systems and signaling software. The last is digital industries. Factories are being automated under Make in India, and Siemens controls the automation software and hardware in most large Indian manufacturing plants. At 15% CAGR over the next 3 years, your 1 lakh rupees will become 1.5 lakhs, and at 20% it will become 1.7 lakh rupees. You can invest in a 3-stage investment plan. The current price is around 3,900, so the phase 1 deploy of 20 to 25% can go in now to lock in your position. Phase 2 will be a 6-month SIP with 50% intended capital. You need to keep 25 to 30% of your investment as dry powder, which you will deploy only if the market corrects between 34 to 3,500, which has been a strong historical support. 1 lakh rupees invested in Siemens India 5 years ago would be 1.8 lakh rupees today, which will be an 88% return. Sensex has returned 45% in that same period. It is not one of the most explosive stocks, but it's a German industrial engineering champion, has zero debt, 75% parent ownership, and a 45,000 crore order book. Stock 29 of 30 with just one more to go. Follow Backbone India for more.